everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Tuition by Tanjila. So today we are going to discuss how to calculate matrices by using calculator. At first we are going to show the inverse matrix. So let's get started. Let us assume A equals to 1 0 1 1. Now we will calculate the A inverse by using calculator. We can see that this matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix as there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So let's get started. At first, I will switch on my calculator, which is FX991EX calculator. Now I'm going to press the menu button. Then I will move towards right and select option number 4, which is matrix. After selecting option 4, we can see that there is an interface showing define matrix. There are 4 options A, B, C, D. We can select any one, that doesn't matter. I'm going to select option number 1, which was matrix A. Now they are asking me the number of rows. As we have considered 2 by 2 matrix, we have number of rows equals to 2 and number of columns is also 2. But remember that not more than 4 rows or 4 columns can be selected in calculator. Only up to 4 rows and 4 columns can be selected. Now I have to place the values of matrix A, which is 1 0 1 1. Remember to press equal to after placing all the values. Then we have to remove this value. After that we have to select the option button, and here we have to select option number 3, which is matrix A. We can see that matrix A is here and we have to press the inverse button and after that equal to. Now we have obtained the inverse matrix of matrix A, which is 1 0 minus 1 1. So we can see that the inverse matrix of A is 1 0 minus 1 1. This is how we can calculate inverse of any matrix by using calculator. And now we are going to discuss how to calculate the multiplication result of 2 matrices. So let's get started. Let us consider A equals to 1 2 4 2 3 0 and B equals to 4 1 4 3 0 minus 1 3 1 and 2 7 5 2. As we can see that A is a 2 by 3 matrix and B is a 3 by 4 matrix. That means 2 rows 3 columns and 3 rows 4 columns. So now let's get started. We have to find AB equals to what? By using calculator we are going to determine this multiplication result. So let's get started. At first switch on the calculator, then go to menu, then go to option 4 matrix, then select option A, which is option number 1. Select number of rows equals to 2, number of columns equals to 3, values are 1 2 4 2 3 0. Then remove this, then again go to option, then go to define matrix, then select option number 2 matrix B, then number of rows equals to 3, number of columns equals to 4, and then values are 4 1 4 3, then 0 minus 1, then 3, then 1, then 2, then 7, then 5, then again 2. Then erase this also. Then go to option button, select option number 3, which is matrix A, then put the multiplication sign, again go to option, then select option number 4, which is matrix B. Here we have obtained the multiplication result, which is 12 27 30 13 8 minus 1 17 and 9. Therefore AB equals to 12 27, 30, 13, 8 minus 1, 17, 9. That is 2 by 4 matrix. This is how we can calculate the multiplication result of two matrices by using calculator. Finally, we are going to discuss how to add and subtract two matrices by using calculator. So let's get started. Let us consider A equals to 4, 9, 8, 3 and B equals to 1, 2, 1, 3. By seeing the structure, we can identify that both are 2 by 2 matrices, which means there are 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. So now we are going to find out A plus B equal and A minus B equal. So let's get started. At first, switch on the calculator. Go to the menu button, shift right, press option 4, which is matrix. Define matrix. Any one can be defined or can be selected, no problem. So I'm going to select option number 1, which is matrix A. Now they are asking me the number of rows. The number of rows is 2, number of columns is also 2, as we have got 2 by 2 matrix. Now I'm going to place the values, which are 4, 8, 9, 3. Here we have set the values. Now I'm going to erase this. Now I have to define another matrix, which is the B matrix. So I'm going to option button, pressing option number 1, define matrix. Then I am selecting option number 2, matrix B. Now they are asking me the number of rows, which is 2, number of columns also 2. Now I'm going to enter the values. 1, 2, 1, 3. I have set the value. Now what I am going to do is, I have erased it. Now I am going to the option button. Now I am going to select option number 3, which is matrix A, plus sign. Now again go to option button and press option number 4, which is matrix B, equal. So there I have got the result of addition of A plus B. So let's write it down here. 5, 10, 10, 6. This is A plus B result we have obtained by using calculator. And now I want to obtain A minus B. So let's erase this. Go to option, press option 3, which is matrix A, then minus sign. Go to option again, press option 4, which is matrix B, equal. Here we have obtained A minus B value, which is 3, 6, 8, 0. This is how we can calculate A plus B, A minus B by using calculator. Today we are going to discuss how to calculate a transpose matrix by using calculator. So let's get started. Let us suppose A equals to 2, 3, 9, 8. Therefore, A transpose equals to what? Now we will use the calculator. At first, turn on the calculator, go to menu button, then shift towards right, press option 4, matrix, define matrix, matrix A, option 1, number of rows 2, number of columns 2. Now press the values. 2 equal 9 equal 3 equal 8 equal. Now completely erase, go to option, scroll down, then press third option, which is transposition, press 3. Now go to option again, select the matrix, which was matrix A, option number 3, press 3 again, then close the bracket, press equal, and now we have obtained the transpose of A, which is 2, 3, 9, 8. This is how we can obtain the transpose of any matrix by using calculator. We are going to show how to calculate determinant of any matrix by using calculator. So let's get started. Let us consider A matrix equals to 2, 9, -3 and 5. Here we can see that in A matrix there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Therefore, it is a 2 by 2 matrix. Now we have to calculate determinant of A. We can also write any one of the two can be written, no problem. Equals to what? So in order to calculate determinant of A using calculator, what we have to do is at first turn on the calculator, go to the menu button, shift towards right, press option number 4, which is matrix. Now define any matrix, no problem, anyone can be selected. I'm going to select option number 1, matrix A. Number of rows, as we said, we have considered a 2 by 2 matrix. That means 2 rows and 2 columns. So in case of number of 2 rows, place 2. Number of columns, place 2. Now we have to place the values of the matrix, which is 2 equal 9 equal -3 equal 5. Here you can see we have created the accurate format of the matrix A. Now we will press the on button and then option button, then go down and you will see the option number 2, which is determinant. Press option number 2. Then again go to option, press option number 3, which is matrix A, close the bracket, equal. So here we have obtained the determinant of matrix A, which is 37. Therefore, determinant of matrix A is 37. This is how we can calculate the determinant of any matrix by using calculator.